Hi guys, welcome back to the craft table. And if you're new here, I want to welcome you and I hope you enjoy. So all of you just come on in, sit down, relax, and let's see what I can screw up today, huh? After last week's slime kind of fail, I decided that maybe I'd give a different kind of slime, something that I could actually touch without getting the creeps, a try. My sister had suggested snow dough. I mean dough. What can go wrong, right? It's only 2 ingredients. It is cornstarch and white hair conditioner. Doesn't have to be anything. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree and only, for $1, and it smells really good. It's kind of like coconut. But I make bread, I make cookies, I do a lot of baking. It doesn't seem to bother me. Let's see how this works out, okay? So this is going to be a quickie, hopefully, and let's get to work, shall we? Yep, so 2 ingredients, not bad to play with. What can go wrong, right? Oh my gosh, I am not a slime person, period. This is not really slime, but this is a fail. This is not the way it was supposed to be, I'm pretty sure. But it is, I think the kids would like it. It really is dough. And if I had used, instead of the conditioner, I could have used the cornstarch, but instead of conditioner, if I had replaced conditioner with glue and a little bit of baby oil, I would have had clay. I mean, that's what you make clay out of. But I think what happened is, when I looked up the recipe, there's like 100 different kinds of recipes calling for cornstarch, conditioner, baking soda conditioner, cornstarch, and so many different measurements, and I knew I only wanted a little bit because I'm not going to play with this. This is going to disappear into some other kids. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to mark this as a personal fail because I screwed up. I probably should not have put in the extra half a cup of conditioner. It does smell good. It smells very coconutty. So get your favorite kind of conditioner. Make sure it's clear or white. Yep, smells really good. But as far as plain, it's the kids will like it, but it's going to leave a mess. So put it in a supervised area. Do not do this on your rug. Yeah, but it does feel better than that slime. I can actually touch this. It's actually fun to play with. It would be great in little tiny batches, just something to play with. But I'm pretty sure it will air dry. That's why I put it in here. So you can mark it as a fail or a new experiment gone right, wrong, indifferent. I just want to say I did it, I tried it. Yeah, what could go wrong? Leave it to me. I will find it. So, thank you for taking time out of your day to spend it with me, and I hope that I was able to spark that little bit of inspiration, at least a tiny bit, and give you the courage to at least try. If it fails, it fails. You pick it up, toss it, give it away, whatever. It doesn't kill you. Enjoy. So, you guys have a great week. I will see you soon. And remember, give it a try. Bye-bye.